Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to manually set up proxy settings for NordVPN in Google Chrome. If you want better privacy or need to access content that's restricted in certain regions, using a VPN proxy inside Chrome is a simple and effective option. Start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome and going to the NordVPN website. Once you're there, head to the download section. This is where you'll find all of NordVPN's apps and browser tools. Next, log into your NordVPN account. Click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your details. Double-check that everything is correct so you don't run into any issues. After you're logged in and on your account dashboard, look for the three-dot icon near the top of the page. Click it, then select Downloads from the menu. Scroll down until you see the option labeled VPN Solution for Browser. This is what you'll need for Chrome. Choose Google Chrome from the list of browsers. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store where you can install the NordVPN Proxy extension. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once it's installed, open the extension, sign into your account, and select the server location you want to use. That's all it takes to connect NordVPN directly to your Chrome browsing. And that's it. If you're interested in getting NordVPN, I've included my affiliate link below. It gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months for free. Thanks for watching and stay secure.